Welcome to MarineMax Rogers. Today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new trade-in boat. This is a 2022 MasterCraft NXT22. Let's hop inside and take a look at some features. Starting out on the transom here, this boat is equipped with SurfStar, MasterCraft's surf system, tabs on both sides. Center tab allows you to manipulate and change the wave as you see fit, allowing it to be very customizable. Stepping in, we have Klipsch audio throughout, tower speakers, strapless board racks, which are very nice. And this boat does have a bolster here. Very nice, clean helm, a subwoofer, and a pickle fork front with very spacious seating. Come on down to MarineMax and Rogers and take a look at this MasterCraft.